Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. here. Today we are in the office and we are talking about a huge Stellantis recall that is hitting 205,000 Jeep and Dodge vehicles. Now, before we get started, look down there in the corner, smash the subscribe button for me. Subscribing is free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does help a small channel out. So I would appreciate you guys helping me out there. At the end of the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and notification bell so you know I'm posting new content. Again, I am Automotive Inc. I don't watch a lot of the news because I don't like a lot of the news, but I always pay attention to anything automotive, and I try and get it out to you guys as quick as I can, especially when it involves safety, because it's your safety and everybody else out there on the road too. So let's get to the nitty and gritty. So the recall is due to a hydraulic control unit, the HCU, anti-lock-brake system, and the ABS module. So the reason why they're recalling this is because that faulty unit module can misread pressure and can illuminate the brake lights without actually any brake application. It can also disable the ABS and NAD, electronically stability control modules, and allow the vehicles to start and shift out of park without brake pedal being pressed. So that's kind of a scary little thing. So basically what NHTSA is saying is that the brake lights can inadvertently illuminate, which could result in surrounding drivers not receiving accurate indication of a slowing or stop vehicle, which can cause a crash without warning. Now, if you're wondering which vehicles are affected, it is 2018 to 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokees and Dodge Durangos from 18 to 19. Again, those are basically sister cars. They're in the same company and they're having the same issue. So as I always tell you guys, down in the description, I'm going to put the link to the NHTSA website. You can go down there. It is safe. Grab your VIN off your car, off your registration, off your insurance card. Go to the NHTSA website, hit check my recalls, type in your VIN and see if your vehicle is affected. Now, again, recalls, especially safety recalls, are always covered if you're the first owner or the 30th owner. It is the requirement of the manufacturer to go ahead and correct those, especially when it comes to safety. And again, the NHTSA is the one that you're going to always check for basically all of your safety recalls. And that's kind of a bummer. Almost 250,000 Jeeps and Dodges are going to be recalled because of this. As always, guys, I appreciate you guys being here, and we will catch you on the next one.